para sa allergy?
Check.
May right med ba pampalakas ng resistensya?
Check.
May right med ba para sa body pain?
Check.
Kaya huwag mahihiyang magtanong at hanapin ang check ng right med.
If symptoms persist, consult your
May
doctor.
right med ba para sa allergy?
Check.
May right med ba pampalakas ng resistensya?
Check.
May right med ba para sa body pain?
Check.
Kaya huwag mahihiyang magtanong at hanapin ang check ng right med.
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Why are they happy? What makes them so energetic? Is it because of their food? Does it have precise nutrition? Oh, it has glucosame that boosts joint health and immune system, plus omega-3 and 6 that promotes their healthier skin and shinier coat. Yay! It has calcium that develops stronger teeth and bones. Whoa! This food has PopSmart or DHA that helps with brain development, and yucca extract that reduces stool odor. Wow! That's precise nutrition for dogs of all breeds. What's this dog food? It's Whoopee. Healthier and happier dogs.
It's me, your auntie! Idol Melay para sa Rexidol Forte. Mas bilis banat sa binat at sabay-sabay na sakit. Binat na may sakit ng ulo o sakit ng katawan na may lagnat. Kahit 1, 2, 3 o 4 ang nagsabay, char yan.
Idol!
Ang idol ko, Rexidol Forte. Mas bilis banat sa 4. Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol caffeine is a generic name of Rexidol Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Alaga mo ba'y mga baboy?
Problema ang ASF at iba pang sakit sa mga alagang hayop, pakainin sila ng feeds na malinis, safe at hindi kontaminado. Yung may tatak, GHP, HACCP. Gamitin nyo ang FeedTech Feeds. Ito ay sertipikado ng International Standard Company na SGS. Ang FeedTech Feeds ay ginawa base sa good hygiene practices at hazard analysis and critical control point process. Dito ka na sa sigurado, may kalidad at garantisado. Mag-FeedTech Feeds na!
Alaga mo ba'y mga baboy? Sa pagkain nais makatiyak, makasisiguro sa iyong negosyo. Ito na ang sagot sa hanap mo. FeedTech Feeds, mga baboy bibigat. FeedTech Feeds, pagkita ay natitiyak. FeedTech Feeds, sangkap ay dekalidad. FeedTech Feeds, baboy mo'y lalakas. Easy lang!
FeedTech Feeds for total swine protection. Simple Joys Furniture Lights and Decors Summer Sale 2025.
Turn on, let's go! Sa Silpal Jordan's Furniture Lights and Decor Summer Sale 2025.
From April 15 to May 31, 2025. Enjoy up to 50% off on selected items with zero interest on major credit cards from 3 to 12 months installment plan. We also accept home credit and Salmon installment plan. Shop online or visit a branch near you. Simple Joys Furniture Lights and Decors Summer Sale 2025. From April 15 to May 31, 2025. For Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Metro Manila, Bulacan, and Mindoro.
Turn on, let's go! Sa Silpal Jordan's Furniture Lights and Decor Summer Sale 2025.
Tara na! Punta na sa pinakamalapit na Silpal Joy sa inyong lugar.
Create a home you love. Dolly Everyday Grocery. Dolly Everyday Grocery.
Hanap mo ba ay may mataas na kalidad na produkto sa pinakamurang presyo? Tara na at mamili sa Dali Everyday Grocery, your one-stop shop for your basic needs. At Dali, we ensure freshness every day with our products at Daily Palengke. Have more and live more for brands made for everyone. Double the joy, pick your favorites from our Dali Amazing Duo Deals. At Dali, we sell every day at low price. We guarantee high-quality products. We save wherever we can, and we promise to be your neighborhood store. Mas mura sa Dali. Kaya, tara na sa Dali. Dali! Dali na!
Dolly Everyday Grocery. Dolly Everyday Grocery.